Welcome to the video. My name is Pushpinder Gill. This is my email address, and now we are going to do CAT 2000 paper question number 59, right? So let's move forward. Now this is the question in front of us. There is a series given to us, and we have to find the sum of series. Now if you just go about calculating the nth term of the series, or if you go about calculating the sum of all the series, it's going to take a lot of time. But there is a pattern that CAT follows. Now let's look at that pattern, because every question is logical in the CAT. And everywhere, in every aptitude test, the questions are logical. They don't want to test your your calculation ability. They want to check your mental ability. So if we see, the first term is nothing but 1 by 3, and this is nothing but the sum till the first term. Now if I want to calculate the sum till the second term, that is going to be the first term plus the second term, that is 1 by 3 plus 1 over 4 square by 1, that is 1 by 15, which is going to give you the sum as 2 by 5. So if I want to calculate the sum till the third term, that is going to be the sum till the first two terms, that is 2 by 5, plus the third term, that is 1 by 35. So if you calculate it, it's gonna come out to be 3 by 7. So if you see, there is a pattern going on. The sum till first term is 1 by 3, the sum of two term is 2 by 5, and the sum of three terms is 3 by 7. Even if you calculate the sum till fourth term, that is going to be 3 by 7 plus, what do you call it, that is going to be 1 over 8 square minus 1, that is 1 by 63, which is again gonna give you 4 by 9. So sum till 4 terms is 4 by 9. So that means he's asking you to calculate the sum till 10th term, because there are 10 terms in that. It's 2, 4, 6, 8 and all that. So it's asking you to find sum till 10th term. So sum till 10th term is the numerator is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10. And the denominator is going to be, if you calculate the 10th number starting from 3, 5, 7 and all that, is going to be the 21. Right? So I hope everyone understood this. It was pretty simple question over here, and we just had to understand the concept involved in it. So if you see, every CAT question is going to follow some pattern. You have to find that pattern. Don't go with the nth term. Don't try solving the questions mathematically. If you do that, you're just serving the purpose of the question, that is wasting your time, right? So just follow this pattern and stick for more videos. Email me here if you like this video. Thank you very much, and see you next video.